While all the talk lately has been about the brand new Avata 2, we have to take a minute to discuss the Goggles 3 and the RC Motion 3. First up, let's talk about the eyes in the sky, the DJI Goggles 3. These aren't just your average goggles, with a diopter adjustment ranging from -6.0D to +2.0D. These goggles will give you crystal clear vision no matter your eyesight. But there's more. Have you ever wished that you could see the real world and your drone's perspective at the same time? Well, with Real View Picture-in-Picture, it's like having eyes in the back of your head. And for those foggy mornings, fear not. The defogging feature ensures that your view stays as clear as day. Now you might be thinking, what about sound? Well, these goggles might not have built-in speakers, but they are compatible with your favorite wireless headphones. And with a charging time of just 2 hours and 20 minutes, you'll be back in the skies before you can say FPV. But what's a pair of goggles without the perfect controller? Enter the DJI RC Motion 3, the trusty sidekick to your Avata adventures. This remote isn't just a pretty face. It's packed with features that'll make your drone dance through the air like never before. Ooh. With easy acro and AR cursor, even beginners can pull off crazy stunts. And thanks to the 2-stage accelerator, you'll have precise control over every twist and turn, ensuring that your drone responds to your every whim. And did I mention the battery life? Brace yourselves, because this thing boasts a whopping 10 hours of non-stop action. And when it's time to recharge, just plug it in for a quick 2-hour top-up and you're ready to fly the skies once again. So there you have it. With the DJI Goggles 3 and the DJI RC Motion 3 by your side, the sky is the limit when it comes to FPV fun. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a newbie, DJI's latest gear will have you ready to go. If you have any further questions, feel free to give us a call at 855-8-DRONES or email us at info@floridadronesupply.com. You can go to floridadronesupply.com to order yours today, and don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth content. As always, I'm Jordan with Florida Drone Supply. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy your flight.